5 seconds to go. Start. Section 3 of the MTP Act, as amended by the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2021, 8 of 2021, provides for when pregnancy may be terminated, para. Section 3 hyphen when pregnancy may be terminated by registered medical practitioners, para, notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Penal Code within bracket 45 of 1860, a registered medical practitioner shall not be guilty of any offence under that code or under any other law for the time being in force, if any pregnancy is terminated by him in accordance with the provisions of this act, para. Subject to the provisions of subsection 4, a pregnancy may be terminated by a registered medical practitioner, para, whether the length of the pregnancy does not exceed 20 weeks, if such medical practitioner is, or para, where the length of the pregnancy exceeds 20 weeks but does not exceed 24 weeks in case of such category of women as may be prescribed by rules made under this act, if not less than 2 registered medical practitioners are, of the opinion, formed in good faith, that para, the continuance of the pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of the pregnant woman or of grave injury to her physical or mental health, or para. There is a substantial risk that if the child were born, it would suffer from any serious physical or mental abnormality. Para. Explanation 1 hyphen for the purposes of clause A, where any pregnancy occurs as a result of failure of any device or method used by any woman or her partner for the purpose of limiting the number of children or preventing pregnancy, the anguish caused by such pregnancy may be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. Para. Explanation 2 hyphen for the purposes of clauses A and B, where any pregnancy is alleged by the pregnant woman to have been caused by rape, the anguish caused by the pregnancy shall be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. Para. The norms for the registered medical practitioner whose opinion is required for termination of pregnancy at different gestational age shall be such as may be prescribed by rules made under this act. Para. The provisions of subsection 2 relating to the length of the pregnancy shall not apply to the termination of pregnancy by the medical practitioner where such termination is necessitated by the diagnosis of any of the substantial fetal abnormalities diagnosed by a medical board. Para. Every state government or union territory, as the case may be, shall, by notification in the official gazette, constitute a board to be called a medical board for the purposes of this act to exercise such powers and functions as may be prescribed by rules made under this act. Para. The medical board shall consist of the following, namely, para, a gynecologist, a pediatrician, a radiologist or sonologist.